Hello everyone, welcome to Hong Kong International Lighting Fair. Follow me, I will show our product to you. I would like to introduce our newly launched product, K-Series. We have wireless module like the Bluetooth module and the Meta module to make the traditional switch to be smart for all types of junction box, like the 86 type, US standard and EU standard. As you can see, this is all solutions of our control of lighting and smart home. The left side is our lighting control. We have DALI DMX 0 to 10 and Tri-X solutions. If you have your lamps, it's okay. Use our Bluetooth drivers. You can strictly connect it with our smart panel and controlled by our smart panel. And the right side is our solutions for control the smart home. And this zone is Zhuhai series. We have the good appearance and its function is also fantastic. Now I will show you the lighting control. We can control its colors. Yeah, as you can see, the colors is changing when I was spinning. And it can also control the brightness from 0 to 100%. And also we can control the color temperatures. And it is not only for lighting control, it can also control the smart appliance. Let's see these panels. We can control the air conditioner and other smart appliances like the curtain motor, and we can also to set the photo and images on this screen. This is our Moderna series. We inspire from the Italian supercar. It is very suitable for the mid and high-end project. And this zone is our smart panels. It is functional. We can search the device on this page and control setting on this page. And we can set the scenes in different zone or one zone and different light. This design is very suitable for the residential lighting. And come to this zone. The newly launched product is the Meta drivers. Yeah, we have CC type and CV type. And this zone is our wireless LED controllers. It is for dimming, and we have the European panel, US panel, and the non-dimmer. If you use RF control, is also okay. We have the RF receiver and the remote. And this is our new product, Meta No Panel. It's Meta over Thread. And this zone is our DMX controllers. We have different channels. I would like to introduce our new product, outdoor waterproof controller. We have UL and TOV certification. We have high voltage and also the low voltage. And for the signal, we have DALI 0 to 10, Bluetooth, and DMX type. It is waterproof. This design is one-piece design, so our waterproof level is at the IP67. It can be applied in the project like the outdoor light, and this zone is our drivers family. Yeah, we have all the signals like the 0 to 10 DALI drivers, Tri-X drivers, DMX drivers, and also the non-dimming drivers with softer start. And some of the model have the NFC programmer function. And all you have to do is to touch the driver, and you can set parameters on the phone, and it is easy to set a CT range and the colors. This is our new product, high power outdoor waterproof drivers. It have 3 signals in one, and it also have the NFC function, so we can set the colors, CT range. We have power of 100 watt, 200, 320 watt. Thank you. This is all the things I want to talk to you. Please feel free to contact us.